Do you know that why people are staying in Portugal? Even salary is very less, problems are more, jobs are less, resident card difficulty level is more. They are just waiting for Portugal citizenship. That is final and ultimate destination of each immigrant who are moving to Portugal. I will tell you in this clip, easiest method to get the Portugal passport and difficult method to get the Portugal passport. Because people, according to 5-year nationality program, now they are talking 10 years time may be changed, but until now 5 years program is there. People think this is the only way to get the Portugal passport. No, there are some other ways you can get Portugal passport in less time, less duration, mean less than 5 years, although 5 years is also very less. Easiest method, Article 92. I will not forget this article in this clip. A lot of people are asking, there are some conditions of Article 92. You have to do IELTS English language test. You must have bachelor degree, master degree, then you will be admitted. No, these are not requirements for Article 92. Article 92, just even you are aged man of 50, 55 years, still you can do diploma. There is no any restriction in Portugal. These are not European colleges and Canadian colleges who will see the study gap. They will entertain you because you just will say, I just want to work here and I want to get the learning by diploma, then I will work here. So these are professional diploma, working diploma, 6 months, 1 year. And these are very good, they create very good opportunity to get the resident card. So this is the easiest way to get the passport, because when you admit in Article 92, under Article 92, you can get resident card by court, special courts these days. Because normally when Article 88, Article 89 was open, you was able to get biometric directly, but now it's very difficult because AIMA closed Article 88, Article 89, lot of pressure of immigrants, therefore they are not giving direct appointments to Article 92, and they knew this thing, that maximum people using this article now. Even work permit option is also open. Please you listen my clip of work permit. This is a new method in which within 20 working days you can get the visa. Why I am talking Article 92? Article 92, you just have entry, European entry visa, visit visa or any visa. You can enter Portugal by legal way, legal entry. You have any age, no problem. You are not on student visa, no problem. Just get admission and you will be eligible for resident card. And by this way you can get the Portugal passport. You can use that resident card to get the passport. Another way, this is also, this is not a difficult way. This is most easiest way I am talking to you. But I am little a bit reluctant to speak on topic. I saw some lawyers speaking in sessions in Portugal in YouTube, and they were telling by open heart. I think this look a little a bit reservative, and I don't think this is the way to get the citizenship. But my Indian brothers, sisters are doing this thing in Canada, so at least I will tell that this option is there. If your baby is born, if spontaneously baby born, no problem. You are husband and wife and you are in Portugal, your baby, God gift you baby there inside Portugal, you both will be eligible to get the passport directly. This is very precious information. But some people, after my statement, some people will start using this one, which is wrong. Mean that they will go there and they will try to, for birth of the baby, as in Canada, a lot of Indians did. In USA, a lot of Indians did. Now, USA blaming Indians that you people are giving birth here in USA for birthright citizenship. And that Trump law is changing. And now, if you are single mother, and your baby is born in Portugal, you are eligible, but you have to show marriage certificate or you have to show divorce certificate if your husband is not there. Another option in this baby birth citizenship is that inside Portugal law is that if one parent is present, other parent is present in the other country, still both are eligible for passport and they have to show marriage certificate as I am talking to you. Another significant question regarding that, if any man from Asia, from other part of the world, marry Portuguese man or woman, and how much chances of citizenship, how much time they will get citizenship on the spot? No, they will not get citizenship on the spot, but they will get citizenship in less than 5 years. This could be the benefit, and they will be able to get the passport of Portugal in just 3 years. If you will marry any brother, any sister, marry Portuguese national, and condition is that Portuguese national will register that marriage in Portugal. Normally people do marriage and they took money as well. They use marriage to get the citizenship and they don't register. If that is natural marriage, you have love marriage, or you have arranged marriage and genuine marriage, you have to register. That Portuguese national will register that marriage inside Portugal and Portugal marriage department, and that registration certificate will help you in getting resident card. But difference is that you will get resident card very soon. You don't need to wait 6-month taxes like Article 88, Article 89, and you will get your passport in 3 years, mean even less than 5 years. And almost the conversation, perception, hallucination that nationality law is will change 5 years to 10 years. My session I recorded in which I confirmed until now there is no change in law. I also told expectations and possibilities. There is no any near future possibility because government is gone, new government will come, parliament discussion. It's very difficult. These are discussions of election campaign. People were very serious and they were asking that 10 years nationality law is formed. There is no any 10-year nationality law. Still the 5-year nationality law is in process. But in this case, in marriage case, I will inform you, still you can get 3 year. Even after 3 or 4 years, they change from 5 years to 10-year nationality law. Which possibility is less? Please don't confuse. I am talking that if they have changed in the future, you are talking citizenship by marriage, the time duration will remain of 3 years. Now I have to tell you the most difficult level to get the resident card. Yes, Article 88, Article 89. People in surplus number, that article is being used. I told several times, use Article 92, use work permit article, use a article in which you are getting 3 times more salary. You will get passport almost in just 3 years. This is the way of Article 88, Article 89, which is closed now, legal entry and illegal entry, and paying 6-month taxes and 12-month taxes for illegal, getting resident card. And now currently 5-year nationality time. Currently the people time is being counted from 5 lakhs. Still rumors are there in the market. People are a lot of confused. This is the maximum time to get the passport in this time. Thank you very much.